Hi, EDL 570 classmates. This is Amy Daigle. I'm coming from East Alexander Middle School. I am going to talk about how I plan to stay up on professional development once grad school ends. Um, One of the ways that I plan to stay up to date with professional development is to communicate with my peers. I mean, there's so much knowledge in the experience that people have. And luckily, in Alexander County schools, they do a lot of job alike meetings where they'll allow us to go and observe one another and kind of discuss these are the things that we see issues in our school. Do you see these same issues? What are best practices in your school? And how can we maybe modify that for our school? So I think there's a lot of wealth of knowledge in experience, and I appreciate the opportunities that Alexander County provides to me for that. Um, Additionally, one of my plans, and I've already started this, is to get myself signed up for emails from professional development parties. So, Common North Carolina Administrators Association emails, Department of Public Instruction emails, just to stay up to date on changes that are happening and content that I may need to enroll in for extra credits. And then finally, one of the things I would like to do but haven't yet is try to get myself signed up for an online database, maybe something like UNC Wilmington. I don't know if colleges will allow you, if you're not a student there, to pay a fee to be a part of their library or online databases, but I would like to find something like that in addition to my local library, simply because in my last year and a half as an assistant principal, I have utilized the Randall Library database online often, and it has come into extreme help when I needed research to support a change idea or to investigate why or how I might would want to change something. So those are the ways that I plan to stay up to date on professional development. I look forward to hearing your suggestions and hopefully learning some ideas from you as well. Thank you.